NTPC Sporting Gesture to Sports Coaching Foundation. NTPC, a Maharatna Government of India company in the power sector, donated a portable dressing room to the Sports Coaching Foundation. The event was organized by SCF on 7th November 2024 with Mr. Praveen Kumar, IAS and former Special Chief Secretary and an avid tennis player. Representing NTPC, Mr. Panigrahi, General Manager, HR and CSR, Mr. Sethi, Deputy GM, and Ms. Priyanka, Manager, HR, attended the event. In his speech, Mr. Panigrahi expressed gratitude to the government and the Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation, GHMC, for supporting a unique NGO like the Sports Coaching Foundation. He also praised Mr. K. Sai Baba, a former Ranji cricketer and recipient of the President of India Award, for his dedication in running the foundation.
Respected Additional Chief Secretary, sir, and it was wonderful meeting you, sir. We were fortunate that you are also here with us. It is all because of the love and affection of Mr. Sai Baba that NTPC has come here, and it's really wonderful to see the young kids supported by their parents are here. I have come here on 2-3 occasions in the past, but whenever I have come, I have got a lot of energy. The total benefit I have taken by being here. So, but unfortunately, whenever I have come, I found some lacuna in the form of this toilets and this waiting room and all that. So we decided that let us next time jab aayenge, this facility should be available here. And with this thing in mind, we thought of supporting you, but it is nothing but the kind of energy, the kind of enthusiasm जो आप लोग दिखाते हैं, that really motivates us to do something more. NTPC started as National Thermal Power Corporation, but it is not National Thermal Power Corporation now. We are generating from thermal sources, we are generating from hydro, we are generating from solar, we are generating from wind, we are also going to generate from nuclear, we are also mining. Now it is, you think of any source of energy, we are there. We are going to generate from hydrogen also. So it is the only company which is running buses also from energy drawn from hydrogen. So this is the future. So अगर practice करोगे and आप लोग national level या international level भी जा सकते हो. I will not be subscribing to the next level. I feel very proud and जो भी contribution है वो सही दिशा में जा रहा है, ये मैं मानूंगा. तो आप लोगों को बहुत बहुत बधाई हो. And मैं और ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लेते हुए on behalf of NTPC, on behalf of my colleagues, I deeply acknowledge the love and affection that you have given, and whatever small contribution we have given, it is nothing, but we will continue to resolve that we will continue to support you for all times to come. Thank you. Akshay sir giving you education, the Sai Baba is being exposed. All these leaders, I am a very big fan of Mr. Sai Baba, who has given to so many children, and sports is important because it teaches you the fighting spirit you need in life. In sports, one day you win, one day you lose, and you learn that defeat will not take you down. And sports is very good for your health, and your strength, and your character, and your courage.
I would like to thank NTPC for giving a green room and clean toilet, which is very, very important for our young girl children. Thank you for the sponsorship, sir. We wholeheartedly thank you.
So firstly, thank you very much, Sai Baba sir, for this facility.
Built India through sports. Sports Coaching Foundation.